it's Rebecca. So I've been away for a little bit. Just got back from a vacation with my mom. We went to Disneyland and Universal Hollywood. And we did some touring in California. I'm gonna be unboxing some of the Black Friday yarn I got that came in while I was gone. If I sound weird, I got sick. Um, I haven't been sick since like May 2020. And I've been to Disney World 4 times for like week-long trips and somehow didn't get sick, but it got me this time. I think it was like these kids. I was around all these kids that were coughing, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get sick. And I got sick, so I can't hear out of this ear, and my throat is sore, and that's about it right now. But anyway, so Knitcrate. I got an email that Knitcrate actually went out of business, sadly. I think they were having problems. They had a lot of yarn that they'd had for over a year, and even though they were selling it for like in mystery boxes and sometimes for like $3 or $4 a skein, they still seemed like they couldn't get rid of it. So I don't know, but I got a lot of luxury fiber yarns from them, like a big stash, and I paid like $4 a skein for them, so I'm happy with them. One of the things I ordered, and this was in the November box, which is a really nice box actually. It's La Bribus by Knitcrate Puffo, and they had 3 different colors of this, and this is Forest Mist, and it's 100% fine Highland wool, super bulky, and 60 yards. So I got 2 of these in my crate, and then I bought another 5 because I want to make like a chunky sweater out of this. And then this would be, I ordered 2 other yarns in that Black Friday order, and they came in separate. They all came separate for some reason. But I believe this is the last of that order. I believe it's a chunky yarn that I wanted to get a sweater quantity of. Yes, this is Aldine Wool's Mellow in the shade High and Dry, and I think I got this in a box, and it's kind of got like grays and browns in it, so I wanted to get a sweater quantity of this, so I have 2 already, and I bought an additional 5. And when I say sweater quantities, I'm talking I prefer to knit sweaters, so depending on the size, you might be able to crochet a sweater with that, but I'm doing knit. Now I have 3 mystery boxes here that were from when Joanne was selling Red Heart mystery boxes. But first, I believe this is my ice yarn package. So they had a sale on, actually I'm not sure if this is on sale, but I saw that they had gotten their Cakes DK back in stock. So I bought this color. I wanted this color, which I believe is the same as the shade Brownie that Lion Brand made, Lion Brand Mandala, but that color was discontinued, and I didn't have any of it, and I saw someone made a really pretty blanket combining this, and I think the color Dragon, so I wanted to get some of this, so I got 4 balls of that, and then this is a yarn that, I know it's a very popular yarn, and it's one I wanted for a while, but this is the Ice Yarns Picasso Rainbow. It's So it's the brighter rainbow. It says number 64626. Also rainbow. It's so pretty. So yeah. Now, mystery boxes. They came in boxes like this, and I know Bag O' Day Crochet got a whole bunch of them because she accidentally put in multiple orders. I have not watched her video because I didn't want to be spoiled as to like what's in them. So let's see. I think I got 2 of the bulky ones and 1 of the worsted weight ones. It might be the other way around. Yeah, I think I got 2 of the bulky ones. So let's open this one first. I think this is mystery box number 1. So I think this is the worsted weight one. And I think these had 9 balls of yarn in them. And they were, let's see, $20 each. Honestly, I don't remember. I ordered these quite a while ago. They took and then I was on vacation, so I was just curious to see what Red Heart puts in mystery boxes. So, worsted weight. So the first thing I got is Red Heart Soft, and this is the shade Berry. So there's 3 of those. And then I also got Red Heart Soft in the shade Grape. So these colors kind of go together. I've actually, I don't think I've ever had Red Heart Soft. I think it's kind of like, I can't remember what the other, Caron Simply Soft, I think. Yeah, it kind of feels like Caron Simply Soft. But yeah, I got free of the berry and free grape. So yeah, it feels pretty nice. So that's nice yarn. And then I got free Red Heart with Love in the shade Wisteria Purple. It's actually another one I have not tried before, Red Heart with Love. So it's kind of like Red Heart Super Saver, but a little softer feeling. So this is Wisteria medium for 370 yards. So yeah, it's a nice color. Got some pinks and purples in here. So that's nice. Now, let's see what's in the bulky box. I don't know what kind of bulky yarns they make. I know they make the Huga yarn is a bulky. Let's see. And I don't know if these 2 boxes might have the same yarns in them. I don't know. Okay. So, Red Heart Soft Essentials in the shade Charcoal. So this kind of looks like the Red Heart Soft, but it says it's a bulky 5. And I think it kind of looks like a, it's not a thick 5. I'd say it's more light 5, thick 4. But yeah, it feels like the soft yarn. Yeah, it's definitely a little, I can't get these to show. It's definitely a little thicker than the 4-weight, obviously, but not that much thicker. I say it's probably more like a thick 4. But yeah, I got 3 of those in the shade Charcoal. This is another Soft Essentials. And then this is just white. So we got white and charcoal. 3 of those. Ooh. Get another. Honestly, I haven't tried a lot of yarn from Red Heart. I have the Super Saver, obviously. Oh, and the Huga. But yeah, I haven't really tried that many from them. This one's really pretty. This is Gemstone, and it's the shade Jewel. Yeah, lots of jewel tones. And it says it's a bulky 5. Again, kind of definitely on the thin side of a bulky 5, I would say. And this is how many yards? It's 312 yards. So I got 3 of those. Right, and let's look in the last box. It's probably going to be the same. Yeah, looks like it's the same. So 3 more of the charcoal. 3 more of the white. And 3 more of the gemstone. So, I haven't worked with any of these yarns actually, but I mean the colors aren't bad. Got like this gray and white here. And then in the 4-weight box I got the red and purple, or dark red and purple. And then this lighter purple. And then 6 of these jewel toned guys. So yeah, that was all of my Black Friday yarn. And I'm gonna stop because my throat hurts. My Etsy shop, I did get over 1,000 sales, which was, that's really exciting. I think I'm at like 1,040 some sales now. So I'm going to be having some giveaways to celebrate that and kind of the new year. I know I said I was going to do Christmas giveaways, but then I got so busy with my Etsy shop that I didn't really have time. So, once I feel better, I don't know if I'm going to get more sick or if this is going to go away pretty fast, but once I feel better, I'm going to put together some giveaways. So, just keep an eye out for those. And I wanted to thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day.